Introducing our latest stand mixer, the all-new Lebensstil Kollektion stand mixer. Designed with home chefs in mind, the bottom of the mixer has a suction cups to hold the mixer when operating. It comes with a hook attachment, plastic spatula, a beater attachment with a soft rubber edge, a whisk attachment, and a stainless steel bowl which can hold up to 6 liters. Do look at these patterns carefully and attach them the right way and twist it clockwise. At the bottom of the bowl, it has a pattern to lock the bowl properly to the mixer. Twist it anti-clockwise to fully lock. Hold down the dial button to switch on and off. Timer functions is to help setting a time duration for your mixing. Turn the dial to the speed you desire. This is a splash guard. It prevents any liquid from splashing. This particular hole is for you to pour any liquid into the bowl during mixing.